your eyes all night under the covers. Your place, my place, it doesn't matter.
Picture for first day of school.
No one has to know. Keep it
Bye!
on the low. Round and round we go. Falling for.
Good morning, guys. Today is the first day of school, and my husband bring the kids to school today. So yeah, but Hannah said I gonna go with Papa to pick her up. So yeah, that's the deal. So as you see, guys, we have a foggy morning. There you go. It's been raining all night too. So yeah, we already have a lot of fallen leaves here. Guys, manguha tayo ng sitaw. Kukunin ko lang yung iba. Yung medyo ano na, magulang ng konti. Ito medyo maliit pa eh. Pero ito, ayan. Ito na yan. Finally. Siguro mga couple days pwede na tong dalawa na to. Yeah, the fall is coming, guys. Let's make some coffee to lift up our morning a little bit. So this is what I'm using for coffee right now. So I thought it would be good, but yeah. So what I do to it, because I don't want to waste that. So what I do is I add 2 teaspoons sugar and then powdered milk. So there you go. I need to do a lot of things, but I don't know why I'm not really motivated lately. Nakabinbin yung mga gagawin ko. Lately it's been raining a lot. And then ano siya, parang yung weather nag-start nang mag-calm down. And then sa gabi medyo lumalamig na rin siya. Naaamoy ko na yung pagbabago ng panahon. Kapag nag-i-start na magbago yung panahon, yung katawan mo ganun din. Parang kasama siya sa pagbabago ng panahon. Pero yung katawan ko, down talaga siya, pati yung mood. Kaya hindi ako motivated na gawin yung mga dapat kong gawin. So, pero okay lang yan, ganun talaga, guys, kapag dumadating talaga yung time na parang minsan yung katawan natin ay gusto magpahinga, gustong mahiga, or gusto lang umupo, manood, mga ganon. Pag nakatira ka sa 4 season na lugar, ewan ko sa iba ha, pero kasi normally, kapag nagbabago yung panahon, parang yung katawan mo ganon din. Kasi una-una yung katawan mo nag-a-adjust na rin, nag-a-adjust sa panahon kung ano man. Kasi malapit na matapos yung summer. So yung katawan mo parang nagbabago din yung mood. Yung nagka-calm down din siya. Guys, kapag nagbabago yung panahon, maraming mga taong nagkakasakit. Hindi kayang i-handle ng katawan nila yung pagbabago ng panahon. Kaya guys, go with the flow lang tayo. Kung gusto ng katawan natin magpahinga tayo. Huwag nating pilitin kasi baka lalo tayong magkasakit. Mas mahirap yun. Hannah is not home today, so I'm the one who gonna get the egg. Let's see how many eggs we're gonna get today. There's one there. That's a good egg. So I have 2 eggs, and later I will check again. Some of them lay eggs a little bit late. Check the garden. Look at that. So you see guys, that's the green beans. They actually growing good. Gotta get some okra too before. This one is still good. Ganito niya.
Your eyes all night under the covers. Your place, my place, it doesn't matter. No one has to know. We'll keep it on the low. Round and round we go. Falling for you, feeling your skin. The night's getting colder. Falling, holding, it's getting better. No one has to know. Round and round we go. Falling for you.
I had a dream that you were mine. You lit the flame right over the line. On my darkest day, like a balloon under the sea, I rose up from pressure beneath, so gloriously, uncontrollably, with it all cut off of me.
Hi guys! Now I am preparing to start making our lunch dinner. I'm gonna make a Japanese curry.
For all the history of the human race, we've been trying to figure out communication. From beating on a drum to painting up in a cave. Then the language came and we got these letters. Centuries tried to use them better, but now it's easy to overcomplicate. 26 letters in the alphabet, but when I look at you, I place my bet that I could tell you all I need with just these three. Yeah, I want to be with you, for all my life. Yeah, I want to be with you, till the day I die. Let me take a minute just to make it clear. There's a beautiful complexity in you, my dear. And every single layer that I see makes me something in the way that simplicity can cut through the noise of modernity. So take these simple words from my heart to yours. Yeah, I want to be with you, for all my life. Yeah, I want to be with you, till the day I die. The universe is growing every day. There's a billion things that I can't explain, but it's certain I decidedly can resolutely say, yeah, I want to be with you, for all my life. Yeah.